Hello besties, welcome back to my channel and a new vlog. I hope you are all well. So let's spend a day together, and I'm gonna start by some morning plant care. Hope you enjoy this vlog.
She paints the morning light on canvas walls, with stories in her eyes that time can't erase. Her laughter's like a lullaby at dusk, and every scar she hides is part of what makes us. Through all the highs and lows we've seen it through, there's something pure about the way she moves. It's not just what she says or how she looks, but everything she does when no one's watching hooks. It's always the little things, the way she hums along, the way she dances barefoot in the rain. Life is made of moments, small and sweet, like the coffee she brews before the day begins. And nothing feels more real than this right here, when the world fades out and only we remain. We've chased horizons far beyond our sight, been lost in cities where the stars don't shine. But home is found not in a place or name, but in the quiet comfort of your familiar frame. It's always the little things, the way she hums along, the way she dances barefoot in the rain. Life is made of moments, small and sweet, like the coffee she brewed before the day begins. And nothing feels more real than this right here, when the world fades out and only we remain. In the silence between words we find our truth, in the messiness of life we learn to choose. If a hand held tight when storms arise, the warmth that stays when all else dies, is the shared dreams whisper late at night, the gentle touch that brings the dark to light. It's always the little things, the way she hums along, the way she dances barefoot in the rain. Life is made of moments, small and sweet, like the coffee she brews before the day begins. And nothing feels feels more real than this right here. When the world fades out and only we remain, always the little things. It's always the little things.
Hey guys, I hope mko poa. Yeah, mko poa lakini baridi imeanza and we have to keep warm juu ya homa. I'm not keeping warm at the moment, but after this I'm going to put something warm. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to step outside. Is it getting ready? No. This is how I'm stepping outside. There is no more getting ready. So I want to go do some 1, 2, 3 and then come back home. I might pick up a few stuff and then later we might do a haul. But we're gonna see as the day goes by. Anyway, let me show you how I'm looking. Yeah, I need to do that real quick before baridi ingie. Like saizi, it's like tuko in a freezer, guys. Like it's freezing so badly. Keep warm penye mko. Keep warm, guys. Keep warm. This is how I'm looking. It's a simple 2-piece, just a top and some pants. So this is how that is looking today. Niko na sianda kadogo. Anyway, this is how I'm looking. Since it's freezing out there, I have to put something warm on. Yeah. We don't joke about it, guys. We keep warm. Pneumonia does not. It does not. What can I say? Pneumonia haibagui. It comes for anyone who's messing around. Uko nje without keeping warm. So, yeah, I have to keep warm. Make sure that I'm not giving homa and pneumonia any chance to attack me because I've been having those attacks frequently. I think I need a vaccine or something. The cold just gets to me like, yeah, it's a lot. But now that I'm having this on, yeah, I feel good. I feel warm. I feel much better. So this is how we're looking. I'm just gonna put on some Crocs, guys. I find Crocs to be so comfortable. Mostly I put them on, especially when I'm running errands, just around. Yeah, they're light, they're not heavy. Like, hasn't stress. So I always go for Crocs. It's not like I even have a lot of Crocs. I think I have 2. But 1, I think 2. Yeah, but if you've met me, like in my day-to-day errands or, just out and about, utanipata na Crocs. Na utashanga kwani msichana anakuanga na only 1 Crocs, but I love them. They're comfortable. So yeah, that's how we're going. It's like I'm sweating, but I have to keep this on. Baridi uko nje si mchezo. So yeah, this is how we're going out there. So guys, nawapenda. I wish mngejua vile nawapenda. I love you so much. Keep showing me the love. I'm so grateful. Yeah, nawapenda. So for the new subscribers, welcome. Please feel at home and enjoy my vlogs. I'm Kiami, if you don't know me. And please make sure you subscribe, you watch, like, and comment on my videos. Make sure to share. Yeah. Otherwise, that will be it for now. Let me step out and then we'll pick it up from here when I come back. See you guys.
The old radio hums a tune from long ago, a melody that dances to the quiet room. It's late here, but over there the sun is rising, and memories begin to stir inside my soul. Back in the day, we chased the sunset's glow, with laughter echoing where the wild rivers go. The girl I met had eyes like summer skies, and a smile that made the world feel just right. She whispered secrets only we could hear, of dreams we shared beneath the willow tree. Each touch was magic, every word was true. In that faraway land where our hearts grew. Oh, how I miss her now, so far away. Her voice still sings within this lonely day. Though time has passed and seasons change their face, my heart remains where love first found its place. We danced on moonlit sands by the sea, under stars that watched us set our souls free. She spoke of dreams beyond the morning light, but fate had plans that would not let us meet. Now I sit alone, the silence speaks volumes. The radio plays the same old songs again. Her name is etched in every note I hear, a love that time cannot erase or sever.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my errands and I passed at Miadak. I got a few things. So guys, the theme of my beauty room is sort of pinkish, you know, and I think this will look pretty there when I put facial tissues inside. So yeah, so pretty. I like it. So the other thing that I got this. I don't have something to put my makeup brushes, my concealers, you know, the tiny makeup stuff. So these two will do a good work. They'll help me organize them so nicely. And also their color is calm, you know, it's not shouting. So yeah, it will go well with my dresser. Oh, I got this. These are just some kitchen towels. They come as a pair and their fabric is so good. Like, see, you can see. They're just pretty. So this one will be for my kitchen. You can never have enough of that. Also, I got this. They're kind of, is it big or long? They're a pair. So these ones will be for my sinks, like just immediately after my bathroom. I have a sink area, so I'm gonna hang this there. Yeah. They're cute. I have this. They're organizers. I can either put some candles, a diffuser, you know, a plant. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it or what I'm going to use it for. And then I know it will turn out great with what I have in my mind. I just saw these cooking sticks and they're pretty. Like, yeah, so I got a pair of them. Oh God, yeah. So I need this for my salt. Whatever I've been using, oh my God. It's so funny. So this one will look pretty. So this one will be for my salt. I'll figure out what to put on the other one. But when I got it, I just had salt in mind. Yeah. So these are cleaners, surface cleaners. They're basically for the kitchen and my utensils. So they come as a pair. The flowers in my washroom or my bathrooms. I have 2 bathrooms, so one goes in each bathroom. This is how they look. They're just simple. Sometimes simple is pretty. Simple is just good. So this is what I really had in mind. Yeah, it's gonna get the work done. I'm gonna show you when I'll be resetting my bathroom. I have this brush. It's a cleaning brush. I've been struggling cleaning my bottles and all that, so this one will come in handy. It will really help me a lot. This is just for cleaning too, just here in the kitchen. It helps me clean, especially when I have these long nails and the scrubbers are disturbing me, are frustrating me. When I use this, it comes in handy. You see, you can just basically clean with it. Then this, I needed a brush for my bathroom sinks when I'm cleaning them. Sometimes I struggle, with the scrubbing. But now that I have this, it's gonna help me get the work done nicely without struggling. I think this will be my new favorite cups. Yeah, this is how pretty this teacup looks. Like, I'm obsessed. It's my new favorite. I get to slay while having my tea. It's big, it's so big. I don't have to refill my tea like twice. I just refill it once and it's enough for me. So yeah, I got a pair. Of course, I like getting things in 2s or 3s. I don't know why. I never get just one thing. The thing I got is a pair of toothbrushes. They're cute and simple. Then I got some batteries for my remotes. One more tissue serviette holder. Yeah, I needed an extra one since the other 2 I got previously, I used them for the wet wipes for my bathrooms. Yeah, so this one is for this, specifically for the serviettes. And since I wanted this color, it will blend well with my wood tone here in the kitchen. This one is going to be just here in the kitchen. So guys, this is also what I got. This beautiful basket. I like the fact that it is in black and the handle is in brown. And it's wooden. It's just pretty. So I got this artificial, and the reason as to why I got this is because I want to put them in my bedside vases. As much as I like real flowers, I don't always have them, and I want something that I can always see there, like just make my bedside look pretty. So you gotta use this in my vases. I got is it purple, peach? Yeah, it's different flowers. I'm not sure kama zitatosha, but we're about to see. We're about to find out. So guys, yeah, these ones look the same. So one for each. And this one is just this, so I'll have to split it and make sure it goes into both. Finally, nimekuwa able to split by use of force. So, alafu this one tunaileta huku. Okay, I really hope itatokea vile nataka, cause if not, I'll be so disappointed. So disappointed.
Let the flowers be flowers, and let the people be people. I can't change the seasons or stop the world from its steeple.
Then I have this. It's the same flower but different shades. I'm the only person who's gonna notice the difference in the in the color and say that. Yeah. So this is how the vase looks. Whatever influenced my choice of color for these flowers, the vases that I use on this table. This is my bedroom table, yeah. So I see there's some bluish, purplish vibe going on. Yeah, so I thought I should go with that same vibe. That's why you see the flowers, they kinda go with it. Yeah. And also the vase. It's just a pretty antiquish vase. And I love the fact that they came as a pair. So you see these two on my bedsides are gonna look so great. And then they'll go on with the vases that I usually hear on this very table. So guys, I just love how it looks. So guys, these are basically what I got. They're not like a lot, just a few things. Yeah, we're gonna clean them and then arrange them. So yeah, those are just basically it.
Small thing, a touch that feels so real. It's not much at all, just enough to make it whole. All I seek is one small sign, a smile, or even a sigh. And if we could stay like this, forever would be just fine. But darling, please don't doubt me now. I won't ask you to hold back the dawn. That's too heavy for my heart to carry on. All I ask is your love in return, and I'll keep you warm for every single day until our story's done. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Oh, I won't ask for anything more, just this simple door. I'm not here to change the world, nor to chase some fleeting star. Just a moment in your arms, where time stands still and far. When the stars align just right, I'll be there to light your night. No need for grand displays, just a quiet kind of grace. Nobody knows, nobody sees the depth of what we share. No words can ever say.